Okay, that is anemometer. So what is anemometer? It is nothing but it shows us the speed, yes, speed of the wind. Okay. So before that, can you tell me whether the wind is natural thing or man-made thing? Very good. So let's start. So the materials we need for this activity is 4 paper cups. We need a punch machine. Okay, see it's here. 2 straws and 1 pencil. I need a board pen also. Okay. And I'm going to use the dryer, clay dryer. Okay. So let's start. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make holes now. Okay. Now I'm going to insert this straw over here, okay? Yes. I'm going to make this hole bigger. Okay? See here? See what is ma'am doing? Ma'am is inserting the straw now, right? Yes. Okay, now I'm going to use the left paper cups the same way, okay? See now, I have inserted the straw here, okay? Now the same way I am going to use these 3 cups also. Yeah. Look here children, it's done. See now what I have done is, I have used a pencil, okay? And I am going to keep this anemometer in this cup where the cup I have filled with sand. Look here, Himash, look here, okay? So I have used the cup for the grid. Now I am going to turn on the dryer. Now let's see which side the wind will blow. Ready? And speed. See? Now we'll keep the dryer little far, but it will move little slow. Now see, I am going to use the dryer from left side. See the wind from where it is blowing, right? The position of the anemometer change, right? See? Okay?